Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so we'll be making a design this morning. We're making a design. Alright, so this is how it is. When you open your Pixel Lab, you see something like this. Mine is a little bit different because this is not exactly the model you're using, but then they still have same functions. Okay, so I'll be quickly telling you what each of these functions here are for. This add button up here, if you touch it you see text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery and draw. So you make use of them. Okay, while we are advancing you see what they are used for. This other option here, you can either use it to save your project into this app and also save as image into your phone. Why this other space here is to save the message, to save the image to. Here also is to inscript quotes. Maybe you want to add a quote to, you want to add a quote to your design. So there's a place for quotes. This other place is, they still run almost all the same functions. This place is for measurement. You use it to measure your place and centralize your work. Okay, then this other one here is to see the layers of the designs you're making. Then this middle button is to work on any project that you have clicked on. The alphabet A here and the Pixel App logo here is to work on any item you've selected. What the alphabet A here is to work on text, while the Pixel App logo here is to work on any other thing apart from text that you've selected. Why this other one here is for background. Then this other last two here are for backgrounds. Okay, here is to either add a picture as background or a shape as a background. Why this other place is to work on your background to smooth it into your work or the rest. Okay, so quickly we're making a complementary card in this video. We're making a complementary card. So the first thing we do if we want to make a complementary card, the first thing we do is to resize our image. So I clicked these three dots here. If you see somewhere within image size, you click on that image size. Okay, then we change it from custom to Facebook cover art. The width and the height have automatically changed, so we've gotten the size here. Okay, so I'm deleting this new text. Okay, so this is what we have here now. So after resizing, the next thing we are going to do here now is, I've clicked on the background place, so I'm taking it to black. We are using the black color. We are using color black for our design. Then after, then I'm going to click on this add um add icon here, and I'm going to tap on shapes. I'll tap on the shape. This is where I tapped here. Then I'm going to change it to circle. Then I will expand the circle. I will expand it. Having expanded the circle, I've tapped OK. Okay, so I've gotten something like this for the circle. Gotten something like this for the circle. So if I don't want it to be moving up and down, I will just lock it, but I'm not locking anyway. Okay, so after I might have done it, now I have clicked on the center one because I want to work on this. So I'm going to change the color. I'll change the color to I'll change the color to orange. I'll change the color to orange. We use this orange. Okay, change the color to orange. Having changed the color to orange, I'm going to copy it. Now you see I have another orange. I'll change this orange to black. Having changed it to black, I'll still copy this black and change it to this color. haven't changed it to this color. I'll copy it again, take it back to the original color, the first color I used, and here we go. So I've gotten this. So in order to avoid this thing from moving, I can either lock, so they can't move again. You see, they can't move. I'm trying to move it, it cannot move. Okay, and also in order to, I can still decide to add all of them together as one, but if I add all of them together as one, I will not be able to move them single by single. So I'm going to merge. Before you merge, you must make sure you are okay with your work. If you are not okay with it, no merge, because if you merge it, you can't take it back. Okay, let me show you again. I'll click here, I'll tap on the work I want to merge. I've merged them together, so meaning they are now one. They are now one. Okay, all right. So I haven't done this now. I haven't done this. I'm going to make another shape. I'm going to use this one box, and I'll take it to 15. I'll take it to 50. I'll rotate it, make it smaller, bring it over here. Make it smaller, bring it over here. Okay, then change the color to orange. I'm still going to copy it. I'll copy it. Copy it. I use the move position button to move them. Then I'm going to go to edit, tap edit, scroll to edit. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity. You see it has gradually disappeared. And I'll scroll up. I've seen stroke width. I'll increase my stroke width to 5. You see it has come up again as black. It's just the stroke. Then I'm going to put the stroke. I'm going to change the color of the stroke to the same orange. Then I'm done. Take it, turn it same angle with the previous one up there, then move it. All right, so okay, I think I'm done with that. Haven't done that, so we are going to put our first test. We are going to use wheels. My god, no. Wheels discipleship academy. Use academy. Then this arrow here is for return button. When you make errors, easy to return. Okay, so I'm going to change the font for this one. I'll use auto regular font. So then I'll enter style and bolding it. I haven't done that. Then I'm going to go again on test, raising excellent leaders. I'll scroll to my space bar. I'll scroll to my spacing. So spacing help you to space your work sideways, while this other line spacing help you to space downwards. So having spaced, I'm going to bold in it. You can either slant, you can either underline. Here is to cancel. So I'm going to bold in just leaders, and I'm changing their color to black using excellent leaders. So I will place that. I'm going to write another one. Excelling in their chosen fields. Excelling in their chosen fields. Excelling in their chosen field. We are going to add background. This is here background. I'll scroll to background. We'll add background. We are adding a black background. We're adding a black background here. Excelling in their chosen field. We're adding background. So one thing about this background is we can either increase, you can either paddle left, you can paddle right, and also you can paddle top, you can paddle bottom, depending on what you want. Okay, I think it's okay. Then you can reduce it so it's now properly. Okay, then having done that, we'll click on add. We'll go to from gallery. I already have Facebook image saved here, so I'll tap on it. If you don't have it saved, you go and download using Facebook logo.png or jpg, so that okay. So this Facebook, oh no, okay, this Facebook, I'll add again from gallery, and this is phone call. So I'm adding phone call too. I could just use relative size and reduce it to the size I want. Then move. Okay, so I'll touch on color filters, saturate it, so I can also touch the phone call color filters too. Take it down here so that I will have same thing. I use color features and I increase the brightness, okay, so that I can get the same colors here. So I'm going to put my number. I'm going to put my number 081 30 66041. 414. Okay, so I will also have to bold in it so it to be visible because of how tiny it is. My Facebook handle, because you in this just how to make a very simple complimentary card, very simple one. Of course, you can actually print this complimentary card. You take it to printers, they could actually print it. Reduce rules relative size. Use test size. If you discovered something while I was working on test, I clicked here to work on test, but when it's on images, on anything apart from test, I use here. You've seen it. Okay, so I'll bold in. All right, I'm going to go on test for more enquiries. For my inquiries, let's make it black. Let's make all here black. Right. So with this, our complimentary card is set. So if I want to save, I can save it as a project. Complementary card. I've saved it, so I can always get it here. I can always get it back here. This is it saved here, complimentary card. All right, so if I want to save as image, I will not use custom. I will use ultra. Ultra is the highest with high quality. I'll save to gallery. So let me go and look for it in my gallery. I'm gonna look for it in my gallery. Oh yes, here it is, beautifully made. So that's actually how you can make your complimentary card. Thank you all for staying through this video.